Does your child snore at night? That cute little sound can be a warning sign. Let's talk about it. Snoring in children can be due to various reasons like simple allergies to deviated nasal septums to adenoids, and finally it can end up into more complicated things like sleep apnea disorder. We have to understand the reason for snoring at an early age, very crucial. If persistent snoring is present, do not ignore it. It can lead into poor academic performance, sleep quality, and overall quality of life of the child. If your child persistently snoring or symptoms are there, please do consider 3 disciplinaries: pulmonology, ENT, and a dentist. Very crucial, they can help you and support you. Remember, a sound, good health sleep of your child is very crucial for his growth and good health. If you like this video, please do share with your fellow colleagues.